Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. Today, we are going to dive into a cool project displaying words on a 3-digit 7-segment display using an ESP32 board. If you've ever wanted to create your own custom word displays with LEDs, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Please watch full video to make this project. These pins are assigned for display. If you want to display C, binary number is 00111001. First 0 is decimal point. Or H value. Last one is a LED. This is the message to display like CPU. Here you change the order of your letter number here. So it will display your required word. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.